So, the final step to have these images ready will be to just crop characters that feature in the movie. Um, I'm expecting the main characters really. Uh, Interesting images as well. Maybe an important scene in the movie where something happens. I don't know. But if you watch one of the films, I'm sure you have seen something which you thought was visually quite interesting. So have a look for that. So you can watch those movies and you can just screenshot them really, or you can do the same thing, which we've done for the first step, which was just go onto IMDb. So if I go on to, if I type in Psycho again, what is this? Okay. Um, See all photographs. And I feel like it would be good to get an image where like there's a lot of their body showing, so it's not just a portrait of their face. So maybe something like this would be perfect. I don't see there's anything better than that actually. Maybe it's not perfect. Mm, this one's better because she's looking at the camera. So Command Shift and 4. And some of these aren't clips from the movie. This is the director, Hitchcock. So Norman Bates is the second main character in the movie. Sorry, the main character in the movie. So this is quite a good image. This is right at the very end of the movie. Just gonna Command Shift 4, and don't need all the image, just need him. And then wherever they are on the desktop, just drag them into. Get rid of this. Just drag them both into the same document. There we go. Just gonna toggle the visibility on one just so we can start with one of these images first, and Control rasterize layer. Now, how much of this image? I want to crop out all of the whole of his body here. Keep the chair, I think. Yeah, so you can see if the quick selection, see what the quick selection tool will do for us. This image is going to be posterized, which I'll show you how to do later. So if there's any minor mistakes, you're not really going to notice too much. Yeah, see, maybe not use a quick selection tool. I'm going to use my magnetic tool instead. So you can come over here and you can use your magnetic lasso tool. And that will allow you to just now the magnets will make an anchor point everywhere it detects a line, but sometimes it doesn't. So you might just need to select where their line is anyway, like manually. just gonna come all the way around here for now. Like I said, it doesn't matter too much about certain little details. This is a quick example. I would spend longer on this, but just want to show you what I mean. Copy paste, and then now I can kind of refine some of those details by just using my eraser tool, really, or back to my Magic Wand quick selection tool. Sorry, delete the inside of this. Zoom in. I'm going to use my eraser tool. I think I'm going to get rid of these mug. This looks a bit random there. Increase the size of this eraser. I mean, I would go over some of the places where it's not cropped very well. Sorry, the places where it's not cropped very well. But for now, I'm just going to leave it. Like I said, it's going to be posterized anyway. But everywhere where you feel it's a bit too rugged, just try and amend those as best as you can. And now to posterize this image, I'm just going to come up to Image, Adjustments, and Posterize. And I'm going to change the level so it's not too blurry. Don't want it like that. You're not. It's not a threshold image. It's. I think that's fine, really. Yeah, I like that. So click OK. Just rub out this little bit here. It's annoying me. And again, copy, paste, hold Shift, and place little Norman Bates right there. And then do our other image. Delete both of these. Rasterize this image. Layer, sorry. And then quick selection tool. Copy, paste. Get rid of this little area. Gonna change the size of this. No, maybe my quick selection, my Magic Wand tool maybe might. Nope. Just gonna use my magnetic lasso tool again. Here we go. Just rub out these little bits. And then image, adjustments, posterize. I had it at 6 last time, I think. Yeah, that looks good. And then again, copy, paste, hold Shift so it doesn't distort the image. And that's it. So you should be done by now. And this is part of your hand in. So this is what I'm expecting you to hand in for now, and we're going to be working with these images to create certain collages, which I'll show you how to do, at a later date. You also need your contact sheet, which you made at the start. So if I can find it, so here we go. So this is your other hand in. So ignore this. So you need something like that. So a collage, or a contact sheet even, and then you want your items here. So 2, 4, 6, 8 items all on one page, A3 page, sorry, and also you're going to need these collection of screenshots from the movie as well. And you're just going to file. I want the layout. The layout of this is a bit pathetic at the moment, to be honest. But I do want the arrangement of these to be quite neat, and you can use your ruler up here as well and try and measure to see so they're like kind of the same size on the page. Yeah, so save. So you want to save both of these, both as Photoshop documents. So file, save as. So I've got it saved as items, format Photoshop, save. Yep. Just in case, save. Yep. And they should be uploaded onto Google Classroom by Friday 4:30. Bye bye.